Hello, my name is Delisa Garcia, and this is a short video tutorial on how to use the masking properties of images. So let's go into images. Here we have a 3D dataset, and imagine that now we want to analyze a random shape region of interest. For this, we first add a surface, skip the automatic creation, and here we have an orthogonal slicer that we can move to any position. It is important to turn the volume off so we can see the projected signal in that specific plane. So now we can decide where we want to start defining our random shape ROI. So let's choose this plane. Let's imagine that I want to quantify how many kinetocores do I have a specific area marked by the DNA. So I do not need the microtubule signal, so I'll turn it off. Now I can go into the mode, select one of these manual drawing modes, go into select mode and draw. So I can start drawing my random shape region of interest. So let's imagine that it is this region of interest, the one in which I want to work in. So here's my contour tool that I define in a specific plane. If I go to the board, I can copy this shape, move the slider to a different point where my region of interest may end. I can click paste if I want to copy exactly the same contour, or I could have drawn a completely different contour that adjusts to my sample. Now when I define my region of interest at the top and at the bottom, I can click the option Create Surface. This creates a surface for my random shape region of interest that, let's say, it occupies this volume. Let's go now into the Edit tab and use the mask properties. So I click in Mask All. Now I want to mask, for example, the red channel. I duplicate the channel before applying mask. This is very important. And now I can set any voxels which are outside this yellow surface to 0 and click OK. The result, if I turn off my original channels, is that now I have a new red channel called mask kinetocores that only shows signal inside my region of interest. If I go into the surface into the Statistics tab, I can also find out what is the volume of my region of interest. And now I can, for example, either with the spots, if it's a vesicle like a structure, or with surfaces if it's a random shape structure. So I can now segment my region of interest. So in this case, because the kinetocores, they look like spheres or vesicles, I can use the spots. I follow the creation wizard of spots, paying attention that now the source channel is not the original red channel, but the mask red channel. So now only the signal in the mask red channel is segmented. And now I can compare how many spots, in this case 6, I have in my random shape region of interest. And this is how you can use the mask properties in order to mask any signal that is not of interest for your analysis. If you have any questions about this video tutorial, please send me an email at delisa.garcia@speedplane.com and I will be happy to help you. Thank you for listening and bye for now.